It is now 4 p.m. on September 15th Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested short selling EURUSD above 1.0783. The highest price after the issue was 1.0749, 34 points away from the entry point. Last night, the European Central Bank announced a 25 BP interest rate hike, and official speeches also conveyed that this was the last rate hike, which stimulated the exchange rate to fall to 1.0633 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative decline of 116 points. Then there's gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long below 1897. The lowest price after the issue was 1901.1, which was $4.1 away from the entry point. It rose to 1919.6 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative increase of 185 points. The two signals are in the correct direction, but they do not enter the market and are not included in the transaction order statistics chart. Manually operated intraday orders generally take into account the risk events and volatility of the day, and then patiently wait for the entry operation at the key points given. If the market goes out early, or the pending order fails to trigger the entry due to a narrow range of fluctuations, which is also reasonable. If there are still good opportunities, Laodai will also issue real-time signals of entering the market at current price in the trader group. In addition, Laodai's main account also combines EA automatic programs to trade in EURUSD. Everyone who has participated in account management business can make profits by copying Laodai's orders. From July 1st to today, September 15th, the principal account with a capital of $150,000 has accumulated a profit of $61,691 through light loss operations. Statistics will be made after the end of September. It is expected that the return rate in the third quarter will be around 45%. If you also prefer a steady style of light loss operation and want to earn limited profits bit by bit every day in exchange for stable profits every month, quarter, and year, you can ask me for the observation password of Laodai's account. There are observation accounts ranging from $5,000 to $150,000. The managed account signals are consistent with the main account, and the password is changed once a week. Observe for a week, and then consider joining the trader group or participating in copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. It is expected that the European Central Bank has also taken into account the economic recession. So, after announcing a 25 BP interest rate hike last night, it hinted that it would end this round of interest rate hike cycles and was very pessimistic about the economic prospects. On the other hand, the United States has been maintaining high interest rates for a long time without a clear weakening of the economy. There are even rumors that although interest rates will not be raised in September, they may increase interest rates once this year. This provides confidence for the US dollar. During the day, EURUSD can sell short positions at the support turning resistance point of 1.0700. It is recommended to sell short at 1.0707 to 1.0770, with stop loss at 1.0782. Then there's gold, affected by multiple US data last night. The lowest fell to 1901. However, there are medium and long-term funds doing defense and betting on long orders. There is certain support below 1908 to 1898. It is recommended to go long at 1905 to 1892 during the day, with stop loss at 1890. Although both are betting on it, the US economy is also improving, and the fast interest rate cut expectations are relatively weak in the short term, which is not a good thing for gold prices. So there are many obstacles above. You can pay attention to the two resistances of 1930 and 1954. It also recommended to sell short positions at 1928 to 1941 during the day, with stop loss at 1943. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil. including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading business. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Charlie Munger.